So I've always been disciplined, but for a long time, I didn't see it as self care. See, I thought self care was soft, slow mornings, candles, doing less. And don't get me wrong, I love those things, but I've learned that discipline is self care too. And sometimes it looks like waking up early when I could have stayed in bed, going to the gym day after day, meal prepping when it would be easier not to, and posting even when the views aren't guaranteed. Discipline stopped feeling strict when I realized it was love. Love that looks like consistency, love that shows up on hard days, love that doesn't wait for motivation.